In this demonstration of the HireSignals platform, we're going to show you the candidate perspective followed by the recruiter perspective. The candidate in this particular case is a guy by the name of Simon Jobsworth. Simon works for Jobsworth LLC and he logs into the platform with his LinkedIn credentials. He ends up in the My Account screen and you can see his basic details there. Now the first thing that Simon might want to do is to declare his hire signal or his job search status. There's 4 levels to choose from. Simon is currently not networking and not open to any contact from recruiters, and he's going to change that to being actively networking. He hits save, and then in this area here, the job interests area, he provides extra details to recruiters so they can provide him more targeted outreach on particular jobs that he may be interested in. Now, Simon's gainfully employed. He works for Jobsworth LLC with the domain name of jobsworth.com, and he doesn't want anyone from that firm to know what he's up to. So he enters their domain name here, hits save, and from that point on, no one from that firm can see any details on Simon's job search status or his interest. Now we're going to shift perspectives to that of a recruiter. The recruiter in this particular case is Fergal Kenny. He works with Glenbourne Corporation. He's already logged into the LinkedIn platform. So he's in the process of doing a search, and this is the advanced search screen on LinkedIn. Now recruiters on the platform use a browser plugin, and when installed, the plugin manifests itself in the form of a traffic light icon that sits on the top right hand side of their browser. So Simon performs the search, and this is the LinkedIn search results page. And normally, these are uniformly color-coded, the results. But courtesy of HireSignals, colors are superimposed on top of the candidate's profile so you can see their job search status. The top candidate here is not networking. The one in the middle is passively networking, and green indicates actively networking. So this is our candidate, Simon Jobsworth, that we just saw. The recruiter clicks on Simon Jobsworth, and you'll notice that the icon on the top right on the screen has actually changed color. We click on the icon, and we can find all the details that Simon has entered on the HireSignals platform. The recruiter can now give Simon very targeted outreach because they know exactly what he's interested in and what he's looking for. I just want to show you how the domain name blocking works. So Simon may suddenly not be interested in talking to Glenbourne, so we might want to block access to his details for everyone in the glenbourne.com domain. So we add that here, we hit save, and now we go back to Simon and we refresh the screen, and you'll notice that when we refresh the screen with the domain name blocked, now Fergal with Glenbourne is no longer able to see Simon's details. When I drill down on Simon's background, you'll notice that the icon is not colored and it indicates that the candidate isn't registered with the platform. And that's how the platform protects candidate confidentiality. And that, in a nutshell, is how the HireSignals platform works.